Hey guys, giving you a shot from the hammock chair today. I'll walk you around, show you the progress after 2 weeks from the new plants, the baby dill, the tree. Here's the tree that I put the stick by. I'm really not seeing any noticeable changes. It still looks kind of sad. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. It was looking kind of gray-green. Now it's still looking kind of gray-green. I'll hide it. So anyway, I'm going to walk you around and show you what I got going in the garden after 2 weeks. Take you over to the baby dill first. It's kind of early for animals, so I didn't get any animal shots today. So here we are, the baby dill. I've got the stick 2 inches in the ground, so you can see it's 14, so it's actually 12 inches. So in 2 weeks, this guy's grown 6 inches. He's doubled in size, which is awesome. But he's still not quite here yet. We've just gotten over 2.5 days of rain. This guy kind of got beat up, but he's still doing his thing. When I last measured, he was 7 feet tall. We got up the tape measure. You see, I still have to crutch him up because he'll just fall. That's the problem when you get these guys 7 feet tall. They tend to fall over. Yeah. But everybody else is doing all right. Cilantra's still doing well. So let me take you over to the zucchinis and whatnot. I just got a video from Kurgan about how his tomatoes are growing. They look really good. When I'm showing the stuff with the stick, I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm just trying to share results. And gardens grow. If you got good soil and take care of it, water them properly, they'll grow. I'm just noticing an accelerated grow. I care my zucchini after 2 weeks. So that's not normal to me, but maybe Kurgan can do the same thing without a stick. I don't know. And props to Kurgan. He is a good guy. This is on YouTube. I spend a lot of time on BitChute, and a cousin of mine once told me, what did he say? He's like, oh yeah, a bunch of right-wing conspiracy theorists go there, and that's not the case. What happened was YouTube started deleting people and censoring people, and we had to go. We had to leave. And rightfully so. We shouldn't have to put up with censorship for anything. So anyway, getting off the political scene. These guys are going good. I'm going to show you over here. These got some peppers going. But I'm noticing a little bit of stagnation for the tomatoes. And not the growth. They're still growing. But as far as new buds, they're... Did I get a focus on that? I can't. They're flowering and then they're drying up. And I've seen this before with new plants. So flower out really quick and then wait a while, and towards the end of the season they'll flower out again. But we haven't had rain. I'd say it's 2 to 3 weeks, and then we just got over 2.5 day really good soaking. We're supposed to get more rain this week, which I'm good with that. The cayenne peppers are still, they're starting to take off a little bit, but compared to everything else, I mean, I don't know whether, I mean, these are peppers over here. And they took off, but cayenne just, I don't know. I don't know if that's, I don't know. Maybe I'll give Kurgan a shout and ask him how his peppers are doing. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little update, what's going on. Show you. I'll go back to the swing because that's just the thing to do right now. I'll give you a quick glance at these swings. They're awesome. We have 2 hooks on the front porch that we hang these in when we want to sit out front. And then we just bought these. We just got the other ones Friday and the 1 week before. So this is what we do now. Really comfortable, a lot of fun. Oh, yeah, I like making old people noises. So anyway, this is me from the swing. Hope you guys have a good week. I'll talk to you in a little bit.